What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. We're going to talk about what is Chevrolet warranty or Chevrolet warranty. So the first thing we're going to talk about is their bumper-to-bumper warranty. Their bumper-to-bumper warranty is 3 years or 36,000 miles. Whatever comes first, that's your warranty. So, you know, if you don't put that many miles on your vehicle in 3 years, you got the warranty for 3 years. If you put 36,000 miles on your fresh brand new Chevy, yeah, it's out of warranty. So if you put that in 2 months, guess what? Your car is out of warranty in 2 months. But your bumper-to-bumper warranty includes everything that goes wrong with the vehicle, from front bumper to back bumper. They're gonna replace it. You just take it to your local Chevy dealership or your local certified GM dealership, and they will replace everything for free. The only thing that's not covered is your routine oil changes and like vibration or some noise. Yeah, that's not covered. And if you get in an accident, that's not covered neither. They had to throw that out there. I'm just letting you know. The next warranty is your Powertrain limited warranty. That is 5 years and 60,000 miles. And that covers your engine, your transmission, and your drivetrain. So anything goes wrong with it, yeah, guess what? You got 5 years or 60,000 miles. So they'll cover all of that. So the things that they would not probably cover is your radiator, your hoses, your sensors, your harness. Your next warranty is your rust protection. So your rust protection is 6 years or 100,000 miles. So whatever comes first, the 6 years or the 100,000 miles, if your car start to rust, guess what? You just take it to your local General Motors, and guess what they'll do? They'll replace, they would not replace it, but they'll fix everything that's rusting on the vehicle. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.